How to buy AI21x token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. If you are invested in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 5 hours ago and increased by 400% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in safe place. This token also trending number 5 on Binance Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here and open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. And now, first of all, select the BNB chain as a network from here and click on this plus icon. Paste the token address here, and as you can see, this also can click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet. And find your token that you just added called AI21x and click on it. Now after that, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So as you can see here, we'll be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. And after that, click here on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy AI21x token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.